The first step is fill the content with aluminum cans that are the ones that we are going to melt.
We place our ventilation system for the oven. This serves to stoke the fire that is inside the oven and at the same time raise all the heat that is concentrated at the bottom. We have a fan connected with a tarpaulin to the tube that goes directly to the bottom of the oven.
Charcoal is placed at the bottom of the oven and at the same time around the entire oven so that the container receives heat from all sides.
We lit the fire with a newspaper and a little oil and waited for all the coal to catch fire.
On the charcoal ignited, we put the mold with the aluminum cans inside the oven and put the lid on it.
We waited half an hour and after that half hour we observed that the aluminium had already melted a little. After an hour the aluminium was completely melted. Once melted, we place it in the molds carefully.
We waited a half hour for it to cool down. After that half hour they were like this, so we just sand them down so that they grip the strap well and they ended up like this.